Okay, so how can we improve it?
You want to workshop it?
Yeah, workshop it. Axe the tax. What's the better slogan than axe the tax?
Every time they go, Mr. Speaker, Mr.
Sharon.
Speaker, I feel like it's school kids trying to tell on their
like a high
classmates.
school.
We're so used to Philippine politics being like a shit show. That's why I thought of Canadian politics as boring. Then I've started like seeing clips from this TikTok account. I don't know if it's official. Probably not.
Probably not.
Because they're trying to meme it. Canada HOC, shouts to
Like, what does HOC stands for?
House of Commons, I think.
okay.
I think.
Oh, it might be official then.
But before we dive deep into it, make sure you like, share, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Engage with us. If we got you triggered, let us know.
Call your friends, call your
Tell your
family,
friends.
because you need teammates.
Yeah, tell them you got to listen to some two
brown
idiots, two idiot brown dudes talking senseless shit.
Yeah, those two.
And
I'm the smart guy here.
well, you can still be a smart idiot though. So. Anyways, yeah, let them know. Share on us,
Yeah.
but don't dislike the video.
Yeah.
Share on us on the comments. But
If you don't
like the
have
video.
anything nice to say, F you. No.
No, if you don't have anything nice to say, share it.
If you don't have anything nice to say, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
5-star. If it's not 5-star,
5 stars. What do you mean 5 stars?
how many
We're not
stars
an
are
app.
there? No.
That's for apps.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, in Spotify.
Oh, it's Spotify.
5 stars, yeah.
All the
If it's
socials
not 5 stars,
were there.
don't bother.
All the socials were there. Follow us. Search twice the D. And yeah, so we're from the Philippines. We're so used to having
The
politicians.
Filipino politics.
Filipino politics, it's a shit show.
Yeah.
That's why we think Canadian politics is boring. But now,
Plain.
I don't know if this is the Trump effect. I don't know if it's because of social media, because they know they are being shown in the internet,
Yeah.
not just traditional TV now, and just boomers playing them in the background while they're doing their chores whatsoever. I guess they're aiming for clicks so they
Yeah.
can get their name out there.
They're,
But-
they're probably wanting younger generations to do
get
something,
involved?
to get involved
Yeah.
and vote, because the election's going to be coming soon in Canada
Yeah.
next
Hey,
year, right?
I mean,
you never
even
know.
if they get memed, it's
Yeah.
still publicity. Like name retention.
That's right.
So there. You know what I hate though?
What?
Like, okay, it's slightly getting less boring. But it's still cornballs.
Corny.
Still corny.
Is that a word here
Yeah,
in North America?
cornballs.
Corny?
Corny evolved to cornballs now.
Cornballs.
And yeah, in the Philippines it's baduy.
Baduy.
Baduy,
Or
corny.
Or corny, yeah.
Synonyms. But yeah. They're trying to make a spectacle out of it now, but it's cringy. It's cornballs. Especially with the Conservative Party. Like their tagline, I guess, for the next election cycle is axe the tax.
Axe the tax.
But then go to Canada HOC TikTok. Every time it's going to be a conservative talking, they have to put in their tagline in their whole spiel.
They have to mention it?
I don't know if they have to, but they always
Okay.
do. Even if they're gonna be talking about abortion, I feel like they're still gonna find a way to put in axe the tax.
It's
in
like a
there.
product placement.
It's a yeah.
slogan.
They have to put in their slogan. So it's cornballs.
Yeah.
It's cornballs. And then Trudeau.
Yeah, so what's the Liberals' slogan?
I don't know. I don't get to search for their slogan because they've been cornballs for the longest time. Their party is connected to like being nice. So it's going to be cornballs. That's what they're trying to frame themselves as. That's always the party that's left leaning. They're always trying to be aligning
Nice guys. Being nice.
to empathy.
Yeah.
Are you saying you just want a villain at this point?
There's always going to be a villain, regardless if I want it or not. The conservatives are painting Trudeau as the villain. It's all going to depend on who's watching
listening,
the
right?
movie.
Yeah.
So right now, the concern of Canadians is more about economy. They don't have the emotional bandwidth to be concerned about social issues right now. So, right now, the villain is Mr. T
Daddy T
or
or Mommy T.
Mommy T. But yeah, it's cornballs. Like, at least in the Philippines, you know it's a shit show, but it's entertaining. Yeah. This term, zarzuela, coming from our former overlords.
Spanish?
Our conquistadors, yes.
Zarzuela.
Zarzuela. Meaning,
Spanish musical play.
it's theater.
Yeah, theater.
Yeah.
Theater play.
There's going to be exposés on a secret lover of a sitting senator. There's going to be an expose of a sitting president's ill-gotten wealth, gambling money from local lottery payola.
Death Squads?
How they take it on is pretty shitty. Like how they present themselves is pretty shitty. And then you got Canada here in contrast, trying to make zarzuelas, but it's poorly produced. That's why I hate it.
Just doesn't work.
Yeah,
Just
this
doesn't work.
doesn't work. I mean,
Well, for now.
for now, it might evolve. You know, those B movies.
Yeah.
Like those B-list movies. That's how
Indies.
Yeah, that's what it
Indie
feels
independent.
like. Because at least with independence, you can give an excuse that the budget is pretty low.
Yeah.
If they get a big actor, it's gonna be shitty cinematography in a way, because they busted their whole budget for
that one person.
for the
For
cast.
Keanu.
Yeah, if the budget is going to be poured in
On
the
the
production,
production?
they won't have big stars.
Yeah.
And then I guess that's where
B-listers.
the hidden gems are.
Yeah.
Or the actors are gonna be bad.
Yeah.
And that's how Canada House of Commons feels like.
So are
Now,
you saying it's good productions but bad actors?
pretty much bad
Yeah.
acting? I guess we can have a nice sleep knowing that it is still boring, that issues are still being discussed, it's still being debated, albeit they're starting to use some flair to the
Yeah.
debates. It doesn't feel like it though. That something's
yeah,
changing.
but that's the best
something's
that they can
happening.
do.
Yep. So you can look at it as, okay, keep it boring, but do your job.
Yeah.
But if you want to be entertaining
Mm.
at least. Don't be cringy.
But yeah, like looking at the video earlier, we have the referee.
Mr. Speaker.
Like that's from John Wick.
Oh, what's his name?
What's his?
I'm just being racist. They don't look alike.
They look alike.
No, they don't. You're just being racist now.
No, they don't look alike.
No, they don't.
Also,
They're just-
pretty,
Okay.
They're
Also,
just
I'm pretty
both
sure this
black.
guy's
That's
dead.
why.
Oh, is he dead?
yeah, he died like last year. See?
Oh.
Just last year.
Okay, rest in peace.
Rest in power.
Yeah, what's his name in John Wick?
Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, but
Charon.
every time they go, Mr. Speaker, Mr.
Sharon.
Speaker, I feel like it's school kids trying to tell on their
It's like
class.
a high
Mr.
school debate.
Not even high
Mr.
school.
Speaker, Mrs.
Yeah, it
Like
feels
Mr.
like
Speaker.
it feels like middle school. And then the Mr. Speaker is gonna be
Mr.
order,
Speaker.
order, order. Like, come on, grow some balls. Like, hold down everybody that's in the House of Commons.
Shut the fuck up, everyone.
And then you hear clamoring from their base.
Yeah.
Like, okay, this is pretty entertaining, but for politics, I don't know. I'm still split if I want it to be entertaining or if I want it to be boring. But if you're gonna be either one, like, go all the way.
Yeah.
No in between. Right?
Be formal and be boring. Or be informal and exciting.
Yeah. Yep.
Don't try to be formal and try to be exciting.
Yeah, it doesn't
because
work.
it doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
Formal and exciting doesn't go together.
If you wanna sling shits at each other,
Yeah.
like, do it. Take off your sport coat, take off your suit, sling shit at everybody. Like,
And don't worry, Canada politics, Trump is back. So you can learn from him.
they can learn from him, or they can use it to distance themselves from the shenanigans.
Yeah.
If they wanna keep it that way.
Yeah.
Or campaign more Filipino MLAs. They would know. Ask them, how did you do it in your hometown? Oh, this is how it's done. Okay, yeah. Like, you get your constituents fighting about party food. You're gonna get your constituents fighting over a vacant lot.
Yeah.
You're gonna have constituents fighting over gossip on whoever's got eczema or whatever. Like, learn from Filipino
yeah.
MLAs. They know. Or stay formal
Yeah.
and boring.
Boring.
Yeah. Because I guess that's the good side of it. But again, it doesn't feel like they're accomplishing anything. It doesn't feel like it. So yeah, just be exciting then.
Yeah.
If you're not gonna be accomplishing
Like
anything,
maybe drink some energy drink before you start your hearing.
maybe
you're
so you're like
more excited. Maybe drink more coffee.
you're caffeinated to the gills. Like,
Or
just
learn
like
from that guy who paid how many taxpayer dollars for that sex therapy thing?
They're shitting on him. Like,
Are they?
they're putting a probe on it. Their party is having their own self-investigation. So own up to it.
And share the information.
Share the info. It's taxpayers' money. Yeah. Yeah. Learn from the Philippines, like Junel, like those ones.
Like learn from
Like secret lovers
US,
getting
yeah.
exposed. Secret
mistresses.
secret love children getting exposed. You see some politicians trying to raise up some witnesses.
So I've seen this clip before, and they're shitting on Mama T because like he's spending all this taxpayer money on a
On-
5-day or 7-day trip.
I think I saw that in Canada HOC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw that?
I think I kind of remember.
And what's your take on that? Like spending that much money.
The powerful are gonna do powerful things, but don't get caught.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, what can you expect? If I'm the prime minister, I'm gonna be flying my own jet. I'm not gonna be going economy in Air Canada with a bunch of people, or I'm gonna get assassinated too. I'm gonna go with my own private jet, get my own personal chef that I trust, so that they're not gonna be poisoning me. If I'm the leader of a nation,
Yeah.
fuck, I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be spending that much money. So it
Don't
doesn't
vote
make
this
sense.
guy.
It doesn't make sense for me to chip out on myself.
At least he's honest though. But yeah. I mean,
But I see what he's trying to do. I get the sentiments that he has to spend that much money.
yeah,
he needs
you're
to have
saying
his
you
bodyguards.
understand.
Yeah. My bottom line there is that's the most you can do to the Prime Minister of Canada. Like keep him in check on how much he spends on his whatever vacation.
Yeah. That's the thing though. Like in
That's
the
it. That's it.
They need to
That's the thing
hire
you can dig.
soap opera writers.
like he
That's the dirt you have.
him doing blackface didn't work.
I know.
So yeah.
He's young and stupid that time. I don't blame him.
But still, like in the court of public opinion, he's been on a deficit, but they're still winning. So I don't know if this kind of circus is going to help the Conservatives the next election, but it is starting to become a shit show. And are we on it? Do we love it?
we are bored.
We are bored. Yeah,
We
are
need-
bored.
We need something more entertaining.
Drama.
But
Give us
Trump
better
is here.
circus.
Trump is
Yeah,
here.
Trump
so
is here, so that's
so
the
yeah.
circus.
I'm gonna be tuning into them.
Now give us bread.
Yeah.
We got circus.
We
Now
got
give
circus
us bread.
from our neighbor. We
Yeah.
need bread. So Mama T, bake some bread.
Yeah.
All right.
Like
we
Big
need to eat
Brother's
too.
got you covered.
Yeah.
Give us our bread now. Circus is gonna be covered. Give us our bread. Okay?
Yes.
No need. I guess when Trump's done, I guess that's when they start
Yeah.
doing the shit show again in the House of Commons.
How many years is the US presidency term?
Four
Four.
years.
Okay, Canada has 4 years to figure out a
practice?
yeah.
To practice their play.
To get better
They-
slogans. Like, I mean, I agree. Axe the tax, but fuck that slogan. I don't like it. So cheese balls or whatever. So corny. The message is good.
Yeah.
The packaging is not.
Okay, so how can we improve it?
You want to workshop it?
Yeah, workshop it. Axe the tax. What's the better slogan than axe the tax?
Axe the cocks.
Axe the cox. Okay.
Yeah, don't get cocked by your own government.
Relax the tax.
Relax the tax.
No, that's worse.
Nah, yeah.
Relax the ass. No,
That's what it sounded like.
Relax.
Yeah,
I was
it's like
aiming for
you're-
relax the ass.
It's like you're gonna get ready to get
Yeah.
cocked or whatever.
Okay, so if we're gonna stick with the tax, how can we make it better?
Simulate the stimulus.
Simulate the stimulus?
Yeah.
The
But-
stimulus package?
Yeah, give us more money.
Okay.
But I mean, no, stimulus doesn't work because that means it's gonna come from the
Yeah.
government, which is gonna come from somebody else's
Somebody
pockets.
else, yeah.
Fill the pot.
Fill the pot with what?
Fill the potholes.
Workshop it.
Yeah, workshop,
Workshop it. Anyways, yeah.
Fatten the butt cheeks.
This is House of Commons, not House of Gays. So. All right. If you can give us your slogans for the House of Commons for both parties, let us know down below. You got OCP filling the pot. You got Edmund here,
You got me 2x.
and this is twice the circus.
Imagination runs free.